Our Bible story this week is about Easter, okay? And the Easter story can be found in lots of different books in the Bible, okay? You can find it in Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Those are the four Gospels. And you can find the story in all four Gospels, and it is the exact same story with a few different details. So this is a paraphrase of the different accounts of Christ's crucifixion and resurrection. When Jesus was here on earth, he did many wonderful things for people. He made blind people see. He healed disabled people so they could walk again, and he taught people about God. Jesus loved people very much, and many people loved him. But not everyone loved Jesus. Some of the leaders hated Jesus. In fact, they were looking for a way to get rid of Jesus. They didn't like it that many men and women wanted Jesus to be their leader. These angry people said, if we let Jesus go on like this, everyone will believe in him, and we won't be in charge anymore. These people decided to arrest Jesus and kill him. And Jesus let them arrest him and kill him. Even though these people were doing something very, very bad, Jesus knew that God would turn their plans into something very, very good. Jesus knew that the reason he had came to earth was to take the punishment for all the wrong things people had ever done or would ever do. Jesus knew that God was in charge of what was happening, so Jesus let the people kill him on a cross. It was a sad day for Jesus' friends. They put Jesus' body in a tomb in a garden. A tomb is a little room cut out of the side of a hill. They left Jesus' body in the tomb and rolled a big rock in front of the opening. On the first day of the week, some women who were Jesus' friends walked sadly to the garden where the tomb was. Their wonderful friend Jesus was dead. But when the women got to the tomb, God had a big surprise for them. The huge rocks in front of the opening had been moved, and Jesus' body was gone. Suddenly the women saw angels wearing bright, shining robes. And the angels said, "Why are you looking for Jesus here? Jesus isn't dead. He is alive. He has risen just as he said he would. Now." The women remembered that Jesus had told him he would die, but would rise and live again. As they went to tell the others, Jesus met them and said, "Be full of joy." The women got down on their knees in front of Jesus and worshiped him. They weren't sad anymore. They were very happy. They got up and ran to share the good news with Jesus' other friends. "Jesus is alive," they said.